Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you love halwa puri, then you need to try the soft and fluffy puri recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, which is suji, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil and form a dough with lukewarm water. Knead well for 5 minutes. Now lightly oil the dough and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, knead the dough again and divide the dough into small portions. You can make 8 to 10 puris with this recipe, depending on the size, how big or small you want your puri to be. Now lightly dust the dough with a little bit of flour, or you can lightly oil the rolling surface and roll out the puris. It's time to fry the puri. Make sure the oil is hot. You can check the temperature of oil by dropping a tiny piece of dough into the oil. If it quickly comes up to the surface, it means the oil is ready. Now fry your puris for 1 minute on each side. Make sure to gently press on the puris until it fluffs up, but be careful you don't poke a hole in it, otherwise the puri will not puff up. So make sure you're very gentle with it. And fluffy puris are ready. It was so simple to make it and it turned out amazing. Serve these puris hot along with some beef or chicken seekh kebabs and some aloo ki tarkari or chana masala and enjoy. You can watch my aloo tarkari recipe on my channel. It's up on my YouTube shorts and I'll be sharing these delicious kebab recipe as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.